So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but today we are heading out to a bike festival here in Nova Scotia. It's in Kentville-ish. I guess it's considered Kentville. And it's the Bluenose Motorcycle Rally, and this is their 50th year. And yeah, I'm in a car because scheduling-wise, it's been going on since like, I don't know, Friday. Some people arrived, like somebody arrived when I was there Wednesday, just getting some drone footage, and it goes till tomorrow morning. But I wanted to just kind of go out to it again. 50th anniversary, and this is the last rally that they're doing, because they've been doing it for 50 years. Actually a little longer, because of COVID. They didn't do it for the previous 2 years. But this is it. This is the end. So we're gonna get some more drone footage. I'll show you some drone footage of the rally before it happened, so you can see what the field looked like when it was with no bikes. And it was pretty rainy today. It's cleared up, but again, I'm taking the car because I just had to drop my daughter off at work. The rally is like 5-10 minutes away from her work, and so I didn't want to drive all the way back home, pick up the bike and come back out, and then you know how it is. Gas prices, right? They're just crazy. Anyways, we're going to the rally.